The real unboxing Insta360 GO Ultra.
Okay, where's my camera?
Yeah, we're here.
This one, yeah?
Okay, here you are.
Okay, let's open it. Whoa. What's that?
Okay, so inside. One, two,
Accessories.
three.
It's the camera itself.
Camera set.
Okay.
And
The gimbal.
not gimbal. This one is a tripod.
Tripod,
This
yeah.
tripod also is open to disperse.
Whoa. Pretty cool.
This one is
Manual. Yeah.
the sticker.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes. So
Camera.
and the monitors inside. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Magnet.
the magnet.
Okay, so the magnet,
You see?
cable.
Yeah, magnet cable. Okay.
So this one is for the head.
Yeah.
Okay, the magnetic
Yeah,
grip,
the
easy
clip.
grip.
Okay.
So
Yeah, and this is. Yeah, how to?
you must yes. So you just okay. Wait, let me check it first. Okay. So this one stick.
The selfie stick also need battery.
This one no need. This one you can do
Okay.
like that. Okay. So this is so very hard to open. Your SD card just
There,
yeah,
inside.
just throw in like that.
Hey, why so big?
Huh? No. SD card is not too big.
No, I mean I know, but you just have to store. Oh, two sides.
Yes, two sides.
You just put like this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ah.
that's the only function. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. And what you say tripod?
That's what I want to.
Oh, there.
Ah.
That's cool. Okay, let's connect the thing.